This is the first time I've ever seen this notification pop up. It was so windy. My little drone, my little Mavic Mini was all over the place, and this thing immediately pops up where it says max power load reached, fly with caution. And then after that popped up, it just said land this thing as soon as possible. It was a crazy day. My poor little Mavic Mini was all over the place at this park. The winds were crazy high. Even at a low altitude, the winds were just kicking this Mavic Mini's ass. So I tried going up, I tried going down, to try and study it, trying to see where the winds were. It died down a couple of times, so there is some spots in the video where I get to go a little bit higher up. I think I got to like 75 feet, I think was the highest. But man, this thing was crazy. It was all over the place. It was the first time I was actually really scared that my Mavic Mini might crash or something bad might happen to it. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick little video here to show you my Mavic Mini in kind of a high wind situation. Well, I learned a lot from flying my Mavic Mini today. I learned that the wind is the enemy of the DJI Mavic Mini. I love flying this drone. Like I said, this is my first drone, and it's been really fun so far, getting some cool pictures and videos of my family, because that's all I do right now. Hopefully, I'll be doing more stuff in the future as we warm up here in Canada and the summer comes, and I can actually use some cool videos. But yeah, I learned a lot today. I learned that you do not want to put this thing up high or anywhere near objects or things that it could hit. So I'm going to keep learning and keep getting better at flying this drone. And if you're out there and you're like me and you're new to this whole droning thing, just be careful when you're flying this thing in high winds. Thanks for watching.